The latest One UI 8.5 firmware for the Galaxy S25 Ultra has just surfaced again, and this time it's bringing something fans didn't see coming. Brand new. Interactive wallpapers. Yes, you heard that right. Samsung is not only polishing performance and optimizing its system like it usually does, but it's also injecting a fresh dose of creativity and personality into your phone's display. This new firmware focuses heavily on visual experience, and that's something Galaxy fans have been waiting for. A few weeks ago, the first One UI 8.5 test build gave us a sneak peek at design upgrades and smoother animations. But now Samsung's taking things up a notch with two interactive wallpapers that make the Galaxy S25 Ultra feel more alive than ever before. Usually, Samsung doesn't introduce new wallpapers outside of major launches. Most Galaxy phones keep the same set of wallpapers even after multiple Android and One UI updates. So, seeing this change is rare. And that's exactly why it's generating so much buzz. It's a small but meaningful shift in how Samsung approaches user experience, putting aesthetics and fun, right, alongside power and performance. The first new wallpaper is inspired by the surface of a basketball court. At first glance, it's clean and geometric, with thin court lines across a textured floor. But here's the cool part. When you wake up your screen, a basketball drops in and rolls across the court in smooth, realistic motion. The animation is subtle, yet oddly satisfying. Every time you unlock your phone, you get this playful, fluid moment that feels dynamic and premium. It's a reminder that Samsung isn't afraid to add touches of personality that make daily use just a little more enjoyable. Then there's the second wallpaper, and it's a total contrast in style. This one takes a minimalist architectural approach. Imagine a stylized archway with stairs leading through it. Something straight out of the Monument Valley games. When you set it as your lock screen, it doesn't just sit there. As you tilt your phone, the entire scene shifts in the opposite direction, creating a stunning 3D-like parallax effect. It's smooth, dramatic, and gives the illusion of depth, almost like you're peeking into another world inside your screen. Compared to older Samsung wallpapers, this one feels way more immersive. The parallax movement is deeper and more responsive, giving users a sense that the wallpaper is alive, that it's moving with them. It perfectly complements the Galaxy S25 Ultra's sleek hardware design and pushes Samsung's aesthetic boundaries beyond the typical static image feel we're used to. Now here's the interesting part, it's not yet confirmed whether these wallpapers will be part of the final One UI 8.5 release or if they're just being tested internally. Samsung's still fine-tuning this update, and each new build brings subtle changes. Subscribe to the channel